Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create email templates in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is actually come at the top right and click on this icon. It says send email. And then what I want you to do is just go ahead and click here on use template, but you'll click on this icon now, create template, right, with a plus icon. So click on that. And then I want you to just name your template. I'll name it quick recap of our meeting and next steps. I'll just go ahead and have that as our subject line as well. And then you can just go ahead and type in your subject body. And if you're wondering how I have these merge fields, then let me just remove this one. You just come here, click on insert fields wherever you want it, place your cursor, and we'll go ahead and choose contact fields. You can choose any of these. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and do full name. Okay, so as you can see, that is how it is done. And here I have talking point 1, 2, 3 just as a template. And here you'll see our names will now appear, right? Because if we come here and choose, let's go ahead and add a tag as well. Let's do recap. Okay, just go ahead and add this tag. So after this, you will be putting in their email addresses and it will pick up the field. So let me just go ahead and quickly save this and apply to our email. Yes, click on OK. And now we enter recipient. Let's do J right here. Now you'll see his name will actually show up. As you can see, here's our name, here's our company name. Okay, and you can edit these as well. These are not merge fields, it's just our talking points. And that is how to create email templates in Freshsales.